What is ANU Learning Communities?
It is a place where people gather for stimulating debates.
To separate the art from the artist is for some to actually protect the art that we love.
A community to explore the best of local art.
It is an ongoing conversation on the world.
Neoliberalism has meant that governments have stayed out of the way of all sorts of things.
And a place to discover things you never knew.
It has also presented an opportunity for more repression in the region.
A push for a better future.
It's a place to make connections with the best people.
A place that acknowledges the past.
Build a house, and I'm here to help and to maintain the culture.
And a place that looks to the future.
The implications are that Indonesia will need to borrow, but it's expensive for Indonesia to borrow overseas.
It is a place of magic and bubble teas.
And flowers. And endless energy.
So, chest nice and tall, shoulders back.
A place of diversity.
A community to make friends.
A place to look at the stars.
History, culture, sustainability, creative arts, global challenges. Find it here.
Welcome to the ANU Learning Communities.